What's up guys, NesiB YouTube channel here. Today I'm going to continue lesson 2 of the Photoshop tutorial. Last time I taught you the use of the marquee tool, the magic wand, and the layers. These are the layers. So as you notice here, the layers, I hide, see, there is an eye icon which you can hide or show the items in the layer. Okay, now here I have a finished product of a heavy metal fabrication company, and here the logo is inside, and around it are the different processes of the metal fabrication company. There are some welding, there are some drill bits. Right, so here you can see there are some hexagon, and inside the hexagon there is a photo. So I will teach you how I put the photo inside the hexagon in a perfect way using the marquee tool, the magic wand. Okay, so let's begin. Right, now here I have a backdrop or a background which I downloaded from royalty-free images over the internet. This is a background, a ready-made background which you can download anywhere in the internet. Okay, and from this background we're going to use the magic wand. Last time I taught you how to use the magic wand, just like the orange that we have the example last time. Great. Now, how I made this design. Okay, so using the magic wand, okay, remember the magic wand? So here I have here this layer, the vector smart object over here, which I can show and hide so that you can see where is the vector object. So now I'm going to zoom in for this portion. For example, here I have the photo of a welding. Right, so from here I am going to use the magic wand again, and then using this layer, the vector object, and then I'm going to zoom in. Remember last time I taught you to zoom in, it's Control plus. So it's zooming in. Now you can pan and focus on this green hexagon. Using the magic wand, in this layer, click the middle. When you click the middle, automatically you see the marquee is flowing over. The marquee is flowing over the hexagon. Right. So here, if you can see, over here there is a photo of a welding, a man and welding. So I have here a photo of a man welding, right? So all you have to do, just select this photo. After that, you have to press Control A, like letter A, like Apple, Control A. So it's been selected now using a marquee tool. Okay, now after it is selected, go to Edit, Copy, or simply Control C. All right. Now here you have a selection of the hexagon. Okay, you have the selection of the hexagon. Now here I'm going to click Edit, Special. After click Edit, then Special, then click Paste into. All right, or Alt Shift Control V. So when you click that one, paste into, boom. See, the image goes inside, not outside. So we have to zoom out, Control minus. So notice that the image is inside, not outside. No matter how you move the photo, it is inside. So now you can adjust. How you can adjust? That's Control T. So in the same image, see, in the same layer, this layer here, when you paste it into Control T. Okay, this layer. Okay, zoom out more because see the photo is extremely big. You see, notice the nodes are are outside because the photo is extremely big. It's bigger than the background. So what you have to do, go to the corner node. Okay, go to the corner node and find the best fit of the photo. Let's say this is the best fit. Let's copy that one. All right, copy it, copy how exactly that one. Control plus again to zoom in, Control plus, and use the pan tool or press the space bar to pan. And I think we copied it already. So you see the finished product, it's almost the same now, all right? So just a little, but it's immaterial, okay? Now, and then we will repeat the same process. Let's go to this one. Here I put the, what's this, a laser cutting? Yeah, this is a laser cut, okay? So we will use that photo. I have already downloaded that photo. All right, laser cut, this one. I use this photo, laser cut, okay? So what is it again? What you're going to press? Press Control A or Control Apple, Control A. Okay. After that, go to your working area. And this is your working area. Then, after that, we're going to select this red one. It's in the red, right? Okay. Now, where is it again? What you're going to do, you have to select the layer of the background. Always remember, select the layer of the background. This is the background. After that, the next procedure is, again, press the magic wand. After pressing the magic wand, okay, you can make Control plus to zoom in. All right, and then click the magic wand again on the layer of the background. And see, notice that some have escaped. See, notice this portion. So you can press the shift, click the magic wand again, press the shift, and Control and plus. See, notice again, Control Z, shift, and then click until the marquee is flowing over the hexagon. Okay, great. Now, what's the next thing you're going to do? Control A in this one. After Control A, coming back here, and then go to Edit, Special, Paste into. And of course, because it's very big, so what we're going to do again, if it is very big, Control minus to zoom out. And then we're going to press Control. See, do you notice that we are working in this layer? This layer, if you click the icon, see, it's okay, it's disappearing and coming back again. So what you're going to do, Control T, and it's very big again, so Control minus to zoom out because it's very big. And from the corner node, you're going to press again. I think we have some issue here. We copied the previous one. Okay, so we're going to remove this area, delete. You see this trash button here? Click this one. We forget to copy, edit, copy. After copy, coming back here, you can select this one. Okay, click, click, and then again shift. All right, then edit, paste into. Okay, great. After that, we're going to press Control T. Control T. What is again the purpose of Control T? Control T is to reduce the size to the desired size of the object. Okay, so until we reach the design that you want, this is it. Then press Enter. That's it. So we have two pictures now. Okay, so it seems that the action is repeating. So I have already the previous action that was recorded here. So I'll just highlight all the same thing. I have all the photos downloaded here. Okay, and these photos you can use. So I'll just make it highlight, 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 and then highlight, highlight, and boom. That is it. And this is now the finished product of our Marquee tool and magic wand using the paste into action. So that's all for tonight, guys, and enjoy, and I hope you learn tonight's lesson. Peace.